Greetings, everyone. I'm Danny Pryor with a Columbus Day Holiday News Brief on Turnpikes.com. The Kansas Turnpike and Love's Travel Stops have announced the formal opening of the new truck service center at the Topeka Service Area. You'll recall we told you in September about the new truck service facilities, which can offer basic maintenance and repair services to truckers using the Kansas Turnpike or I-70. The new Truck Care Center has 3 service bays and can handle everything from oil and tire changes to light maintenance work. Expansion of the Love's Travel Stop at Topeka was completed in September, with the new facilities opening this month. A tour of the new facility, hosted by the Kansas Turnpike Authority, was held in the past week. Construction will impact your morning commute into Boston in the coming weeks. The Massachusetts Department of Transportation announced an eastbound lane of I-90 will be closed later this month as part of a bridge replacement project near the heart of Boston. That construction project is a replacement of the 61-year-old Bowker overpass bridge. The work began along Ipswich Street last month, and a single westbound lane of I-90 was also converted to a work zone already. But now, morning commuters heading into downtown Boston will begin feeling the impact. MassDOT has announced the eastbound slow lane of the Turnpike will be converted to a work zone and closed beginning the week of October 27th. Eastbound I-90 will have 3 functioning travel lanes, though, during the construction phase. Again, the slow lane of I-90 eastbound at the Bowker overpass will be converted to a work zone October 27th, and of course we will provide a reminder as we close in on that date. Construction has shuttered a service plaza on the Garden State Parkway. The Ocean View Service Plaza, which has been renamed the Bruce Willis Plaza, closed in the past week for renovations and will be reopened after the start of December. The plaza upgrade is part of an ongoing effort in New Jersey to upgrade plazas on both the Parkway and the New Jersey Turnpike. The Bruce Willis Plaza, which is the southernmost plaza on the GSP, is expected to open around December 15th. Finally this week, the Francis Scott Key Bridge replacement project is rolling forward with pile driving work being performed on a test basis for the next few weeks. A total of 12 test piles will be placed to test loads, and final demolitions of the old structure are continuing for the next several months. Meanwhile, a public hearing is now set for November 18th at the National Transportation Safety Board Conference Center in Washington, D.C. That hearing is set to consider and review a marine investigation report into the March 2024 collapse of the Key Bridge after being struck by the cargo ship Dolly. The public meeting will also include a virtual presentation for anyone who cannot be physically present. However, the date could change given the current government shutdown. We will keep you posted of updates or changes. That will wrap things up for this Columbus Day edition of Travel News Weekly. Please join us again next week for our regular format, including our weekly trivia. Until then, please drive safely and avoid distracted driving. I'm Danny Pryor, reporting for Turnpikes.com, the Turnpike Authority.